Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you what this looks like and how the codes would go. So I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to make a packing list for my vacation, which I'm excited about. So I'll go ahead and start. So remember, you always want to, and you can just watch. You always want to start your notepad with the HTML head, title, your name. You want to close your title, close your head, open your body, close your body, and then close your HTML. This is a good way to start your skeleton. It would be a skeleton code where you can start every page. Now for this particular website, we're going to do a little refresher. I want to have a picture on the background. So we're going to say background equals beach.jpg. Okay, so remember, background, the code background will make for picture, BG color is for a background color. Now I'm going to go ahead and put vacation list, so I know what the list is, and we'll open my list. So we're going to do an unordered list, and I want the list type to be square. And again, the different types are on the bottom of your note sheet. So type equals square. Okay, so now we should have square bullets. So let's see, what would I pack for my vacation? I'm going to go ahead and pack using the list item here. Remember, you need to signify every time that you have a list item. Swimsuit. Alright, and another list item would be camera. And I also want to bring some flip-flops. Okay, and now we need to close our list. Okay, close our list. So we have our list on our list, and we close our list. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and save this. I'll open it up for you so you can see what it looks like so far. Okay, so we have our vacation list, swimsuit, camera, and flip-flops. Now the cool thing is when you're doing this, oh, see, my bullets weren't square because I forgot a quotation. So I'll show you that once more. So now we have square bullets. Okay. Now if let's say I want to change it to circle. Save, refresh, now they're circle. And the default, if you don't type anything in, is disk. Okay, I do like the square one, so we'll change it back to square. Now, the neat thing with lists is you can have as many sublists inside of a list that you want. So an example of that would be an unordered list. Underneath my camera, I don't want to forget my battery charger. And I don't want to forget, oh yeah, so list, unordered list, and then I need to make sure I have a list item, battery charger, and I don't want to forget my memory card. Okay, and now I can close that list. I'll show you what we did over here. So now that we did a sublist, it automatically does it for us. So as long as we open a list and close a list, you can do as many lists as you want. So that's kind of neat. Now, if I'm going to also list, maybe I want to list my vacation destinations. And I want to list them in order. Okay, you would do an ordered list, and I want to go type equals number. Okay, unordered list, type equals number. Now list item, I'm going to go to let's see, Mazatlan. Okay. Let's see, I'm going to go to Cabo. Alright, and then we'll close that list. Let's see what we have. Right, so now it gives us a number. Let's say we wanted to change that type to be alphabet. Save. Now it will change it to alphabet. So that's kind of cool. You can do the different types of ordering. And the same thing works with the sublist in there. Now let's say you want to do an order list, type 1, start equals 5. And I'm guessing on this. I think this is how it works. Yep. And you can start it on a different value besides 1. Or A, B, or C. You could change it to start on T. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how you insert an image. Okay, so we're down here. I'm going to go ahead and insert an image of some flip-flops. So image source equals flip-flops.jpg. Alright, I want the width to equal 25% of the screen. I want there to be a border equal to 4. And I want the alt text to say flippy floppies. Okay, save. Refresh that, and there's my pictures of my flip-flops. And we have the border, and everything's good. Alright, so now that you kind of have an idea of how this works, and I know it's kind of confusing, especially with the text being so huge. Make it smaller. Okay, you can kind of see how this is all done in tags. So the image, anything that have to do with the image is all in the same image tag.